Hi everyone, this is Rosani. I hope you're having a great harvest season. So let's get started with this. As you see, I am using a coil method for this particular project. This will be a simple one because you just twist the paper together, tape it, join it, and make sure that the spring doesn't come apart on you. And you just make the front part larger each time, so it's going to look like different rings put together. Moving right along, we're going to use liquid starch. I like to use Stay Flow liquid starch, and that is going to be for covering with torn strips of papier mâché. So now we have this cornucopia basic shape, and we need to define it. So I'm going to outline it with pencil so I could see all of the rings, and then I'm going to fill it in so that it takes on a better shape. And now I want to fill it in so that the shape is more even. And I'm going to be using paper pulp dough. So I'm evening out the ring shapes, but they don't have to be perfect. And I'm going to allow this to dry. I couldn't resist making the tail curly. It's a lot of fun, so I just added paper napkin, dipped in the liquid starch, and just shaped it like that. I really love working on projects like these. They are so much fun. I hope you'll enjoy making it just as much as I have enjoyed showing it to you. So we're going to continue on. There will be more coming up in part 2, so please stay tuned.